Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is a quick little Aliexpress haul. Not anything too crazy, but I got some of these little clear bales. I saw Anne, who's Craftykimchi. She's always hauling Aliexpress goodies, so she had them and I was like, I need that. But basically a bale is like you stick it on the back of something and you make it a charm. But you can stick it on the back of like a cabochon or something like that. Shoot, even paper, I don't know. So I got those. Next, I got these. These got here so fast, like less than 2 weeks for sure. Look at these cute little bows. They're gold with like a pink enamel. Look how cute those are, you guys. That is a must-have bow. I love the shape of it and the size. It's a pretty gold too. Next, I got these. Not these, but this. Oh, look at this. Look how fun. So it's got 6 different pumpkin faces. This one's got like big eyes, traditional, little, like a winking. This one's like scary looking. And this one's scary, like a almost like a clown shape, like the eyes and nose and stuff. For resin and make little charms. Next, I got these. I thought these were gonna be much bigger. They're basically tiny little like bubble looking things in 3 different sizes. For like potion looking stuff I wanted to use it for, but they are tiny, tiny, tiny. Next, I got these. There's like a matte style finish, super hot pink little star confettis in this bag. It's not a lot, but it was only like 50 cents or something super cheap. Next, I got these guys, these cute little butterflies. They're beads. Look at these. I don't know if Anne hauled these or maybe they just popped up on my suggested, but look how cute. They're like an ombre, like a pink going to the yellowish orange, but they're like see-through, they're translucent. And then these ones, which are the pink one, and they're kind of like a clouded pink. Very cute. Little bead, and the whole feeds through on the top to bottom. So that is it for my quick little alley haul, and I will catch you guys on the next crafty video. Bye guys.